Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to add realistic text to anything in Photoshop. If you are trying to superimpose text onto any surface in a photo, this is the tutorial for you. We have already opened the image on which we're going to add the text. We're going to start off by creating the text and roughly positioning it where it needs to be. Once done, let's right-click on text and click on Converting to Smart Object. Now we can skew it to better fit the layer by pressing Command-T, and while pressing Command, drag the corners around. When done, double-click on the image to confirm transformation. Now for the part that'll make the text seem like it's part of that surface. Make the text layer invisible and select the background layer. Add a levels adjustment layer, and let's get a contrasty enhanced look for the surface that we want the text to be on. We'll use this afterwards as our displacement map. Don't worry about how this looks, it won't be used as is. Let's save it as a PSD file to be used as a displacement map. Now, to make the magic happen, let's disable the curves layer, enable the smart object layer with text. Go to Filter, Distort, Displace. We'll go with a small number here, as we're trying to be subtle with the effect. Click OK and select our displacement map. Depending if the effect is too strong or too weak, you can edit the number by double-clicking on the displacement map effect. From here on, we can use clipping masks to draw some highlights and shadows. To add the texture onto the text even more, we'll also copy the background, put it on top of the text, make it a clipping mask, desaturate it, and change the blending mode to soft light. There are a lot of tweaks you can do further, such as adding bevel and emboss to text if the image would benefit from it. It all depends on your specific situation with the image, but this tutorial should help you get 90% there with any situation. What other specific techniques would you like us to cover? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.